Adjectives. What is an adjective? An adjective describes a noun and gives its characteristics. Have a look. Have a feel. Have an act or emotion. Amount.
Let's just recap what a noun is. A noun is a person, place, or thing. Let's take these nouns for example: girl, dog, and house. Let's add an adjective to describe it. We could say strong girl, cute dog, and scary house. Now we have described these nouns. Why do we use adjectives? So we are able to describe what things are like. For example, if your mum asks you to go to the shops to buy her a hat, how do you know what to buy her, as she hasn't given you a description? Now, if she used her adjectives to describe the hat and told us she wants a brown straw hat with a black bow, you will have a better idea what to buy her. See, adjectives are very useful. Can you see the adjectives in this sentence? The kind woman rescued the scared cat. Well, kind is an adjective because it's describing the woman, and scared is describing the cat, so that must be the other adjective. Great work! Let's try this again. The tired mother slept in her soft bed. Can you see the adjectives? Tired is describing the mum, and soft is describing the bed. Oh, actually, that sounds pretty lovely. Can you think of some adjectives to describe your own bed? You may have come up with some words like cozy, red, soft, colourful, big, wooden, and comfortable. Now what adjectives can you think of that describe you? You could have said smart, kind, tall, strong, happy, brave, funny. What other words did you come up with?